everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys my style quesadillas. Before we get into the video, remember to hit that subscribe button and like button. Now let's get into the ingredients. So here we have some Havarti cheese. Here we have some mozzarella cheese. Next we have some green pepper. We have some tomatoes and jalapenos. We have some onions, we have some mayo, we have some leftover barbecue chicken. You guys can use any kind of chicken that you have. And then, most importantly, I have some quesadilla wraps. Now let's get into making this thing. So, I'm going to take a quesadilla wrap and I'm going to get some mayo. Okay, so I think this is enough mayo. It looks good. Next, I'm gonna add some onions. I prefer adding them in circles like this. There we go. Next, let's add some jalapenos. I think these jalapenos are a bit too spicy, so I'm going to add a few. That's usually what I do. Then I end up like, this is not spicy at all. Then I add more on my second one. So yeah, I'm just going to add a few just in case. So that's enough jalapenos. Now let's move on to some tomatoes. Now let's get some green peppers. Add a few more, then I'm gonna add some more jalapenos. Next, let's get the chicken here. This chicken looks so good, and I can't wait to eat this. Okay, now that we're done with the chicken, let's get some mozzarella cheese. Now add some Havarti cheese. Done. Now let's wrap this. Now let's add some hot sauce. Now let's add some more mayo. Let's add some mayo onto this one. Let's move this to this. Now we're gonna add a few more. And now we're gonna add this on top of this. Now remember, don't put too much stuff in your quesadilla, or else we're going to be like squeezing it, so all the stuff might come out. So I think I'm pretty happy with my quesadilla. Now it's time to send it over to the stove. So I added some butter on the pan I'm using to make my quesadilla, but you guys can add oil or butter. It's up to you, but I prefer to use butter. We're just going to wait for this to finish. This quesadilla has turned out perfectly. I love the color and I love everything about it. But now it's time to take a bite. Here we go, guys. I cannot wait to try this. Let's go. Guys, there's so much to say about this. The cheese, the texture, it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. And I highly suggest that you guys drink some orange juice. Don't drink pop and sodas and stuff like that. Drink milk and orange juice, freshly squeezed orange juice. But this quesadilla, guys, extraordinary. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to hit the subscribe button and like button. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!